Today's video is brought to you by endtimegardening.com. Visit our website for your instructional gardening products and services through the link in the description box below. And remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. So when is the best time to start doing this?
Planting?
Yes,
Um,
especially for your beets and your cauliflower.
these were set inside, and we got this from a greenhouse. But you have to set them inside for. So these should have been in the ground 2 or 3 weeks ago, but because of the weather, we had really bad weather. But now is the time. It's a spring planting.
Mhm.
So what time in the month is when you want them to
Uh,
around February, March,
March.
and
Over
early
here
March.
in March.
It's still time, you still have time.
Yeah, because these are already,
They are seedlings,
3
not
or
seeds, so you
4
have
weeks
a
old.
kickstart on it, a head start.
Yeah.
So those are 4 weeks old that you have in your hand.
About 3 or 4 weeks old.
And technically they're called seedlings.
Seedlings, yeah.
It's a young plant.
Yeah.
Seedlings are young plant. Seed and seedlings. And the beets will take how long to come to maturity? 6 weeks?
I think it's about I don't remember. 2 to 2.5 months. Oh,
6 to 8 weeks they should come to maturity.
I think it's about. This one's giving me a hard.